Hindi ay.
Ang gabi sa tanan, happy 7th founding anniversary, active response team of Barangay Aplaya, Digus City. Maka-proud that I am a member of this humanitarian organization. Bisan pa man sa mga pagsulay, nagpabiling ligon ang atong pamilya. I may not be at your side always, but rest assured, I'm just a call away. Once again, happy 7th founding anniversary, Art 911.
Hello, good morning. Happy 7th year anniversary to Art 911. I hope na magparayon ta and let's continue to help others. Bye.
Gugma sa kapilingban o gugma sa pagpanibisyo, nagapasalamat ko nga kanunay mo nagahatag o voluntaryo na pagpanibisyo sa katawan. Diha sa inyo tanan sa membro sa Art 911, happy 7th anniversary.
Happy 7th year anniversary Art 911. Padayon lang sa inyong pagserbisyo sa katawhan o more years of success and dedication. Once again, happy 7th year anniversary Art 911. Mabuhay.
Ang ako ang shoulder, ang mag-inok, sabay ang body, ang ulo, maintain, divine, maintain, straight. Kung nananaon mo na, hindi mo spine, siguro ka. O, sa tomo, so, straight. Ang purpose to define freestyle and breaststroke, just in case na unlod diya sa tunga, okay? Kung mo-dive ka, pagtunga mo, mapit pagka-undol niya, pagtunga mo, no-dive ka na. Kasi nawala mo. Nawala mo.
To the men and women, rescue volunteers of Art 911 Digos, thank you for your selfless dedication. Your community is safer and stronger because you are a part of it. Always remember, be well and be safe, my fellow brothers and sisters.
Maayong adlaw kaninyo diha mga brothers and sisters sa Active Response Team 911. So naako karon dinhi sa Manay Super Health Center ongoing pud may response. So in every response kinahanglan lang gyud ta maghuna-huna, safety first gyud ta and always pray. So kadto lang, maayong buntag ug dalay ko ng Dios.
Hello Art 911 Digos, this is Joanne from Medic Central Training Center. I just want to say happy 7th year anniversary to all of you guys. Padayon kung unsa inyong nasugdan, appreciated or not, padayon gihapon. As a responder, we are not aiming for awards, but we are aiming to save the lives of those in distress. Always remember that being a responder is not a job, it is a passion and commitment in our hearts. Stay safe always, and again, happy anniversary, Art 911 Digos.
Congratulations, Art 911. for surviving 7 years. Hoping na ma-survive pa for a very long time. Then keep up the good work, keep saving lives, and keep the flame of volunteerism permanente sa ato ang kasing-kasing. Aja.
Kamu na po inungdan mo bundak.
Happy 7th anniversary ART 911. More powers in you, guys, for serving the public and sacrificing your time and risking your safety para sa atong mga kaigsuonan, especially those who are needing emergency and disaster response or care. Again, happy 7th anniversary. More powers in you, from Central 911, Davao City.
Hello everyone sa tanang members sa ART 911 of Barangay Aplaya. I wish you as happy 7th anniversary. Imagine 7 years na dahil mo nag-exist na daghan na kayo mong natabangan diha sa ato ang barangay and the neighboring barangays. Ipadayon lang ang inyong maayong tinguha nga makahatag o kaayuhan ngadto sa kinatibuk-ang komunidad, especially sa matag usa nga nanginahanglan sa inyong mga skills and talents. Again, happy 7th anniversary ART 911, headed by Dudes Moldy. Congratulations everyone and see you soon. Bye-bye!